In this video, I will show you how to use Google Image search features to help you find a quality reference image. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to google.com and then you can start to type in what you want to search. I'm going to search for Beyonce. When I do that, I'm going to hit enter and come to the all, and you're going to see all this information about Beyonce here. But I want to go up here all the way over to images, and then I can start to see some images of Beyonce. As I scroll down, I'm going to see all sorts of things, maybe some things that aren't Beyonce, right? Maybe they are going to be red carpet stuff like this, maybe it's from a video, right? Or hopefully some portraits. I might even see some art. Look at that piece, it's really nice. Can I use this piece for my drawing or painting? No, that's someone else's artwork, right? But I need to spend some quality time really looking and understanding what I want to draw. I'm going to encourage you to add a secondary word here next to whatever your subject is. And if it's a person, I'm going to encourage you to add in the word portrait or portrait photography. And when you do that, you're going to get images that are really zoomed in, that have a clear focal point. You can see a lot of these are studio images that they've taken like with a really strong light source, right? You might want to change that word to headshot. A headshot is a photo of someone's head used by actors to sort of get jobs and stuff like that. Either which way, I want you to notice the pixels. If I click on this one here, do you see how this right here, this number, if I hover, the number pops up? This picture is 630 pixels by 573 pixels. And I'm going to argue that that is going to be too small, right? So instead I want you to go to Tools, and then come over here to Size, and click Large. And that's going to narrow this down to only be pictures that are big enough. So if I click at this one now, if I see, whoa, this one is 1,280 pixels by 1,920 pixels. And that's going to be a picture that's going to work really well for us. If you are using the iPad, you can sort of click somehow. I'm on my desktop computer, so I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to Save Image As, and then I can save that to my desktop here, or you can click and drag it to your desktop. On the iPad it works a little bit different. Either which way, go ahead and save. I would encourage you to play around with this, really do some searching. If you come, I clicked on this one, if you come here and you scroll down, you can see there's even more, right? Find something that you're interested in, that you like how it looks. Again, a full range of value, nice and clear, something that doesn't have a lot of extra information in the back. All right, I hope this helps.